Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways of zooming in and out on your timeline in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. The first one is if you use the backslash on your keyboard, you can see it will zoom out your footage to the length of your entire video edit. The second one is if you go to the panel here, there is this zoom tool. You can then drag and this I'll zoom into this specific area. If I press the Alt key, I'll zoom out. And as I said, I can do like this and just go specifically into an area. The third one is this tool down here, the basic bar. You can go back and forth and zooming in on your timeline. If you move a little bit forward, and you can zoom in like this. The fourth way, and the one I use the most, is your scroll wheel. If you just use your scroll wheel, it'll just slide back and forth on your timeline. If you press the Alt key, it will zoom in if you scroll up, and it will zoom out if you scroll backwards. This is the one I use the most because it's easy and you're using the keys and the mouse anyway, so it's just a quick way of moving back and forth through your timeline, as you can see here. So you can just move back and forth, both with the one scroll wheel and then zoom in and zoom out. And if you want, you can just go back to the beginning of it, or you can, in combination with the backslash one, you can quickly zoom out. So that's how I use the zoom keys when I'm editing. Hope this was helpful. Bye.